So right about here, we're going to get into pages and these widgets here on the left hand side. So we're done with posts. We're going to go straight to pages. By default, they like to give you a cheesy little about us. You can click on the about or you can click on edit. I just click on the word about. This comes up, and as you can see, the word up there for the title of this page is about. We want to change that to maybe about us. You can use other things like about Bethany Beach Power Washing, but that would be just too long. And as we're scrolling down, we click on edit and we got the about. And in this case, for keyword optimization, we want to change this to say about Bethany Beach Power Washing. Now this right here will help with the search engine optimization. That is the name of the page. Right here we have the URL, or I should say the website name, and that is BethanyBeachPowerWashing.com. You get somebody who's Googling Bethany Beach Power Washing, that should come up. The next one is about Bethany Beach Power Washing. That's good, because if we did the about Bethany Beach Power Washing, this would probably drop down to 2 lines, and we don't want that, so that's why we just left it like that. If we click update, you'll see that this will go ahead and change from about to about us. If we click on it, we got the cheesy little thing right there, but if you look up at the top, it says BethanyBeachPowerWashing.com, and there's the new page. So what most people do not do is they'll turn around and leave it saying about us or just about. Meanwhile, you have the ability to add more keywords into your website, and I would turn around and add it right up there. So there it is. Well, now that we have that, we highlight this. We got to get rid of that. Let's go ahead and now in this case, I wanted to pull the about us off this person's website, but they don't have anything up there, so I have to find something else that I can use. Well, there's not really a whole lot of anything, so what I could do though is maybe take this for argument's sake, copy this, copy, and then I want to add this to the page. So we highlight that, we delete it. I have it already copied, but I want to turn around and paste it, so that there's no stuff in there. You click on that, and basically you're taking it and you're adding plain text in there, and it'll go right into the page. The good thing about that is that when you copy and paste from somebody's site, or if you copy and paste from one site to another, there may be things that are affecting the font, the size, the color, and all that stuff. By copying it and pasting it right into a plain text document, it'll take all that out, so it'll not mess up the page. Once you're done, you click update, and that's it. You're done. You go back on over here, you click refresh, and that's what it looks like. And that looks a lot better than the stuff that they had there, and at the same time, it looks good. From here, we want to change up the fact that you got pages, blog roll, categories, archives, meta. We want to change all that. So you go down to appearance, which in the appearance is where we got the theme. We want to go to widgets. From the widgets, we can turn around and choose from any of these. We can actually add some a little bit later on, but for right now, what we want to do is just take the pages and just drag and drop, and then we'll turn around and call it pages, web pages. Probably just pages, because if you say web pages, they might think of other websites. You click save, and that right there, as you can see, by default it actually comes with some of those. It doesn't always happen, but it depends on the theme. I click refresh, and now the only thing that's showing is the pages and this cheesy stuff right here. We're going to change the cheesy stuff a little bit later, but for right now, it was good that we got rid of the other stuff, because it was not really doing us any good. Here we got the pages, the about us, and all we had to do is start adding more pages, like testimonials, publish, and then I would have added the text right there. Oh, I want to add a new page. I want to add contact us, publish, and so on and so forth. Now, as you can imagine, we're going right to here, and you got the About Us, Contact Us, Testimonials. If you click on Testimonials, you can probably leave testimonials like that or add keywords up in there. But, it all depends on the preference. I don't know what I would do. I might try and add it, but like definitely contact all clean power washing. Good, done. Save, update. And so now we go back on over here and we click refresh. And now we got our pages. From that point on, it's a matter of adding pages and adding content to those pages, and your website will be a lot better. So if you can, that's the main part. And we've done the widgets thing. The widgets are a matter of, sometimes you can get a weather widget, you can get a gallery widget. There's different widgets that you can have. The categories, I don't really use that. The links I do. Depending on if you want to link to other website, that's where that would be good. So you can always add that. Click save, and once that happens, click refresh, and then there's that. Now if you can imagine, we have those links but we don't like what was in there. By clicking on links right there, we got all these cheesy ones that come standard. We want to get rid of them. You just click this box, click delete, apply. They're all gone, but you want to add a new one. If you notice that the pattern is forming, there's always an add new link, add new post, add new page. We're just going to go ahead and add new link, In this case, I'm going to call it Hitched Photography, and then the URL, http://hitchedphotography.com. I prefer not to use blog roll for nothing. I would just say professional links. Professional links. Click add. You'll see that it automatically highlights that. Boom, click add. And link has been added. Back on over here, click refresh. Professional links, Hitched Photography, and that's what it looks like.